Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士
Today we're going to review
的
Let's first do a quick review.
的
Is a possessive marker similar to the apostrophe S in English. For example,
你的
yours,
我的
mine,
他的
his or her,
爸爸的
father's, and
妈妈的
mother's.
林美
Is a person's name. So,
林美的
means Lin Mei's in English. And
的
is also a modifier used to modify nouns. For example,
小杯的咖啡中杯的咖啡
and
大杯的咖啡
means a small cup of coffee, a medium cup of coffee, and a large cup of coffee. Nouns after
的
can be omitted, and we can just use an adjective plus
的
under the condition that the listener is clear what the structure adjective
的
is referring to. Look at the example.
这个蛋糕是林小姐的吗？
Is this cake Miss Lin's cake? The man already mentioned the cake at the beginning of the sentence, so there's no need to say
这个蛋糕是林小姐的蛋糕吗？
omit
蛋糕
after
的这个蛋糕是林小姐的吗？
To answer the question, you may say,
是，这是林小姐的。
yes, this is Miss Lin. By using this pattern, you avoid redundancies and speak more concisely. Here are situations where you may use
的
when visiting a friend who is pregnant. You may wonder if the baby is a boy or a girl by saying,
他是男的还是女的？男的
can be used to indicate that it's a baby boy, and
女的
for a baby girl. Let's look at the next situation in a beverage shop. Let's grab a drink. Would you like an iced one or a hot one? You can answer the question in Chinese by saying,
我要热的，
if you'd like a hot drink, and
我要冰的。
if you'd like an iced drink. You've now learned the grammar point about.
的
See you at the next lesson.